Welcome to this QuadPro support video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and manage an asset maintenance record. Asset maintenance records can be set up with each asset and are automatically triggered to go into your job request list when needed. These can be used to do servicing, fixes, or upgrades to your assets. To go to your asset, click the asset register and open the asset record. Here you see the asset maintenance record tab, but firstly, if you want to ensure that you can use automatic job requests, you must tick this option here and then head to the asset maintenance tab. Here you will see a list of all of your asset maintenance records, and to create a new one you select add. Firstly, you have the date due, which is today. This can be set to any day you wish, and auto JR lead time in days, which is how many days you want to be notified in advance of this job request. So we will put 7 for our one. The next field is the ID number of this specific record, which is 15030. And in the comments we can just put what this asset maintenance record is, so the yearly service, and the category this falls under. You can put who will be completing this, which will be the maintenance team, and the cost, which is 0, but if there is a cost against it, which will then emerge into a works order, you can do that here, and you can create the works order from the job request record. You can also trigger this asset maintenance record via a number of different ways. We are going to choose every 1 year for 5 years. And the next date this will trigger is the 2nd of April 2021. To upload any associated files, you first must save and make active this asset maintenance record. Now you can select a job type, which this will automatically be generated with. And we'll just put not working for now. But obviously, as this is a custom list, you can have a number of different options within these. To find out how to create these custom options, you can view our Managing the Glossary video. And in the notes, you can put any notes which would be useful for the operatives. To make this active, select Save. And that will now build the list with 5 job requests ready to go when the time comes. Now press Save to confirm the changes and head to your job request list. And here you will see all of the job requests that you currently have active. And we can see here we have an automatic from assets job request which is currently active. And I'll show you how to manage one of them now. So once you open the record, you will then be told to ensure that there is an email address with the requester. But as this is not a actual requester but an automatic job request, you can just press OK to continue and escape. If you wish to add any details, you can do so by entering them there, and it will create the email address for you. Here you can see the asset maintenance record, and this will then allow you to manage and complete this like a normal job request. If you do need to create an associated works order with this job request, select the bottom right option to add and go through the process of creating a works order. If you need to update any of the options here, you may do so. And as usual, the operative will need to fill out how long and when it was completed, and any feedback will be sent out to the requester. Now once completing this asset maintenance record, you select this option here and it will bring up the menu for you to complete. To upload any documents, select the upload form. And you can upload as many files necessary. This needs to be done one at a time, and when you upload another document, you can either replace or add. And this will upload them for as many times as you need. Just repeat the process. To mark it as complete, you can select this option here and date it was complete. And to view the folder with all these files, select the folder option, and that will take you to the dedicated asset folder along with the dedicated asset maintenance folder. If we go back one step, we can see here all the previous asset maintenance record folders. Now save the job request. This has now completed the asset maintenance record for this one, and you just need to do the same again when the next one is triggered. Thank you for watching this QuadPro support video, and if you require any assistance, please contact us via the email help@quadpro.com or visit our website www.quadpro.com.